Hey guys, I'm Executive Chef Brooks Cameron with Tyson Food Service. We're here at the Discovery Center today. I'm going to be doing a quick and easy hot and spicy chicken build, just a little bit of a play on the traditional flavors you might see. All right, so we have our warm toasted brioche bun. I've got my Tyson red label breaded hot and spicy filet that's already ready. And what I've done is I've taken some cucumbers and I've kind of lightly tossed them in a little bit of garlic chili sauce, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and a little bit of sugar. And that's going to give you some sweetness and an acidity to kind of complement that spice that's in the sandwich, and also kind of give you another flavor profile than your traditional pickle. All right, and there you have it. Quick and easy. It's a little play on tradition, something that your customers are going to love.